Today, we're diving into the world of the most insane American motorhomes ever built. Machines that go far beyond normal travel and step into pure luxury, futuristic design, and extreme innovation. From moving mansions and amphibious RVs to armored survival beasts and million-dollar smart homes on wheels, these creations will completely change the way you think about life on the road. Get ready to explore unbelievable features, hidden garages, rooftop lounges, and next-level technology in action. If you love powerful vehicles, luxury travel, and futuristic tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more amazing content like this. The EleMMent Palazzo Superior is one of the most luxurious and futuristic motorhomes ever created, carrying an incredible price tag of over $3.7 million. Inspired by the design of supercars, private jets, and luxury yachts, this rolling masterpiece stands out with its revolutionary sky lounge. At the touch of a button, the roof lifts hydraulically to reveal a private rooftop terrace, complete with a lounge area and fireplace. Perfect for relaxing under the stars wherever your journey takes you. Built using lightweight carbon fiber technology, similar to that found in high-performance supercars, the Palazzo Superior combines massive size with advanced engineering. Its sleek aerodynamic exterior and huge panoramic windows provide stunning views from every angle. Inside, you'll find a luxury penthouse-like interior featuring a spacious master bedroom with a king-size bed, an elegant spa-style bathroom with a tropical rain shower, and a gourmet kitchen equipped with premium appliances and a built-in wine cellar. Designed for ultimate comfort and exclusivity, the EleMMent Palazzo Superior transforms every road trip into a first-class luxury experience. The Volkner Mobil Performance is one of the most extraordinary luxury motorhomes in the world, and its biggest surprise is hidden underneath. This 40-foot masterpiece features a built-in central garage that can carry a supercar like a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Bugatti, without sacrificing any interior living space. Located between the axles, the garage is completely separated from the cabin, eliminating noise, vibration, and fumes while traveling. Inside, you'll find a premium living area packed with modern technology, elegant finishes, and smart automation. Solar panels on the roof provide extended off-grid capability, while an intelligent system manages lighting, climate control, and other onboard functions automatically. Powered by a strong Mercedes engine and equipped for long-distance adventures, this incredible motorhome combines luxury, innovation, and performance. With a price tag of around $2.4 million, the Volkner Mobil Performance is the ultimate home on wheels for luxury travelers. The Furrion Elysium is a futuristic 45-foot luxury motorhome that looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. First revealed in Las Vegas, this incredible RV grabbed attention with its rooftop helipad, designed to accommodate a helicopter, making it one of the most unique motorhomes ever built. But the real magic is inside. Advanced AI technology controls everything from climate and lighting to navigation and driver assistance features, while smart sensors help detect obstacles and simplify parking. The interior feels like a luxury penthouse on wheels, featuring huge 4K displays, a central touchscreen command center, panoramic camera systems, and smart home technology that adapts to your preferences. Head up to the rooftop terrace, and you'll find an exclusive entertainment area complete with a jacuzzi and minibar, creating the perfect space to relax wherever the road takes you. With a staggering price tag of around $2.5 million, the Furrion Elysium isn't just a motorhome. It's a bold vision of the future, combining cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, and extraordinary luxury into one unforgettable machine. The Heat is one of the most extraordinary motorhomes ever built in America, famously used by Will Smith and valued at more than $2.5 million. From the outside, it may look like a large luxury trailer, but the transformation begins the moment it parks. A sophisticated hydraulic system expands the side walls and raises the roof, creating a massive living space of over 1,200 square feet, an astonishing amount of room for a motorhome. Inside, the upper level features a private movie theater with seating for up to 30 people, which can also serve as an office or lounge. Downstairs, you'll find a professional-grade kitchen, elegant living areas, a dedicated makeup room, and a high-tech bathroom, complete with a built-in sauna and privacy glass that changes at the touch of a button. Advanced touchscreen controls and automated systems manage nearly every function throughout the vehicle. Combining luxury, innovation, and comfort, the Heat is more than a motorhome. It's a futuristic mansion on wheels built for life without limits. The Mammoth Overland XLE is one of the most extreme RVs ever built, designed with a level of toughness that feels straight out of a military sci-fi world. This rugged machine is fully armored, featuring level 3 ballistic protection capable of resisting rifle fire, making it far more than just a luxury motorhome. It's also equipped with an advanced NBC air filtration system designed to protect against nuclear, biological, and chemical threats, keeping the interior safe in almost any environment. Despite its hardcore exterior, the inside is surprisingly comfortable, offering a gourmet kitchen, a king-sized master bed, and a fully functional bathroom. For long-term survival, it includes a water purification system, dual generators, and satellite connectivity to stay online even in remote areas. Advanced night vision and thermal cameras provide full 360-degree awareness around the vehicle in complete darkness. Priced at over $500,000, the Mammoth Overland XLE proves that some RVs aren't just built for travel. They're built for survival at any cost. The EarthRoamer is not your typical motorhome. It's an extreme off-road expedition vehicle built for adventures where ordinary RVs simply can't go. Constructed in Colorado on a heavy-duty Ford chassis, this rugged machine is designed to conquer deserts, mountains, snow, and remote wilderness with ease. Its body is made from carbon fiber and Kevlar, materials known for their incredible strength and durability. Built for complete self-sufficiency, the EarthRoamer features powerful solar panels, massive water storage, a diesel heating system, and a fully equipped kitchen, allowing travelers to stay off-grid for extended periods. Inside, you'll find a surprisingly luxurious cabin with premium leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, ambient LED lighting, and smart controls accessible from a tablet. Designed to comfortably accommodate a family of 4, it can operate in some of the harshest climates on Earth. Starting at around $600,000 and exceeding $1 million in fully equipped versions, the EarthRoamer is the ultimate combination of luxury, durability, and adventure-ready capability. The SAIC Maxus Life. Home V90 takes the concept of a motorhome to a whole new level, transforming from a vehicle into a futuristic 2-story home at the push of a button. Its innovative expandable design allows the side sections to extend outward while an upper level rises from the roof, creating a spacious living area complete with a stylish glass balcony. The result is a mobile villa that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Inside, advanced smart technology controls nearly everything through voice commands and gestures, from the lighting and climate settings to the window blinds. The interior features a comfortable living room with an L-shaped sofa, a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, a washing machine, and a spacious bathroom with a full-size walk-in shower. For off-grid adventures, foldable solar panels on the roof provide reliable power without the need for external connections. Priced at around $280,000, the SAIC Maxus Life Home V90 combines cutting-edge technology, luxury, and intelligent design, creating a motorhome that feels more like a modern smart home on wheels. The Terrawind is one of the most unbelievable motorhomes ever built because it's not just an RV, it's also a fully amphibious vehicle. Designed by Cool Amphibious Manufacturers International, this remarkable 42-foot machine can travel on highways and then drive straight into the water, transforming into a luxury yacht within minutes. Its reinforced fiberglass hull is completely waterproof, allowing it to cruise across lakes, rivers, and coastal waters with ease. On land, the TerraWind performs like a premium motorhome. But once it reaches the water, hidden propellers take over and power it through the waves. Inside, the luxury continues with comfortable bedrooms, large panoramic windows, a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious living area with leather seating, and a stylish bathroom complete with a bathtub. Priced at around $1.2 million and built to order, the TerraWind is a one-of-a-kind creation that pushes the limits of engineering, proving that the line between motorhome and yacht can completely disappear.